mean, why wouldn't you be on the Māori roll if you're Māori?
I'm on the general roll. I honestly don't know any Māori candidates. I don't think there's enough representation.
I mōhio rānei koe, ka tae te whakawhiti ki te rārangi Pōti Māori I mua I te 13 o Haratua?
And no, I didn't.
I mua I ngā pātai tō rangapu, Crocs, red bands rānei.
Crocs, for sure.
Matatini, one love.
One love. Definitely one love.
Nā te aha koe I kōwhiri I te rārangi Pōti Māori.
When I first went to vote, the biggest whakaaro for me was all about looking at where politicians place their values in terms of the communities that they serve. For me, I wanted politicians that would prioritise always Kiwi Māori, and you could only ever find that on the Māori roll.
I certainly think there should be a more flexible arrangement that allows them to make the choice to change.
In our view, it would be open to manipulation.
Hoki nei ko te painga o te Pōti Māori, te tukomaha ake o te hunga Māori ka uru. Ki te Pōti Māori, ka nui ake ngā tūru Māori, e wā tēnā ki te Māori, e pai ai tā rāta kuhu atu I te pārimata.
Kei te mārama tō mātou reanga, kao rānei.
Tino kore nei.
I don't think they really care.
E te mea, kaore he maha ngā rauemi me ngā mātauranga o ngā pōtitanga kua pata atu kia mātou te hunga rangatahi mō kia ake nei.
I think a lot of rangatahi don't participate because they don't know enough about politics, and to be honest, it's just not that fun, and you can't get rangatahi interested if it's pretty boring to do.
Me pēhea tā tātou aki I a tātou hoa Māori ki te pōti.
Get a free vape every time.
I don't feel like rangatahi are represented in the people that are making decisions on behalf of our futures in our lives. I don't feel like we feel like we're being listened to, but I feel that it comes down to not feeling represented or heard in government, in politics and decision making.
They just need that encouragement, or I guess the understanding to realise that their vote actually does matter. That one vote can make all the difference. I think it's best that all Māori jump on the Māori roll. Gives Māori a bigger voice in Parliament, more seats for Māori.
Tai roa tore pāpukana.